G'day, how you going? Nick Hopkins with you again with Softwash Australia. A couple of weeks ago we showcased the little caddy, the portable unit by Tucker. This one is the cart by Tucker, and we've also got the 45-foot brush here today with the single brush. One of the really nice features about the 45 also is that for that short work, once again you've got the short stick. It gives us the ability to do low and at face type glass even after you've done maybe 4 or 5 stories of glass. So that's a nice little feature. That's the high mod range of pole that Tucker puts out. The unit itself, great little unit, lightweight, only about 15 kilos, and I've just been able to turn that on. There's a switch at your hose so you can turn it on and off. Plenty of water, as you can see. We've got reasonably good water here. I suppose the most important thing is, what's it doing? So we've got our trusty water meter, and if I just pull a sample of the water off our very leaky hose over here, and I can test that, it's telling me that that's 469 parts per million, 471 and increasing. So that's the water at the moment. If I take it out of the brush and we test that, we're at 4. We could do a dozen tests here, but we're probably going to be somewhere around 2 to 4. There you go, there's 2. So we are getting that water really, really low. The unit hasn't been run before, so of course it's still settling in, and the thing's running like a nice little treat. So that's what's really great about the Tucker cart. Now these are available. I'll have 3 of those in store for the show in November. We'll have a couple of the caddies as well, and we've got a few of the brooms and the brushes there as well. So looking forward to be able to showcase these in November as well. But that's the 45-foot pole. That'll get you easy 4 or 5 stories. And you can add to the back of that an extension that's available also. The unit comes basically all ready to go. You're in business from the minute you fire it up. Now, the other nice little feature I like about particularly the cart is the cart will operate also in that position. So it means that it can't be knocked over. It's already there. And a hell of a lot easier just to have it operating, and you can be away from the machine, not worried about it getting bumped or knocked. Of course, you've also got the ability to have a bit of a throttle on this. If you find that you've got a bit too much water, we can actually slow that down and let a little bit more water go outside of it. That takes a little bit of the pressure outside of the cart, outside of the RO cylinder. Now that's important, because a lot of guys might want to buddy one of these with, say, a booster pump where they might not be able to get onto water, use their use their Softwash system and buddy that up to this, and you might not want to put that sort of volume through it, so you've got a bit of a throttle here. Anyway, that's a bit of information. That's the cart, that's the 45-foot brush, yeah, that's the Tucker, part of the Tucker range. Feel free to hit us up at Softwash Australia, or you can contact me on that phone number 0400 210 646. See you again when I get back east side. It's been fabulous being over here in the west. Absolutely put on a show with the weather. It's been great. And Jarrah and Jen Dwyer, thank you so much for your business. Really appreciate it. It's been a blast. They've really looked after me, and really great to see Perth Softwash take its first steps. Thanks very much. We'll be in touch.